our major highway routes. This report brought to you by Scarborough Health Network. And right now, as mentioned, eastbound 401 getting a bit busier. This being from approaching the 427 to east of Dixon. And then as well, westbound 401 from the 412 to approaching Salem. Volume found there, as well as west of Brimley to west of Canadian Express. Approaching Dixon, we do have some lane realignment. However, not affecting the live lanes. It's just off into the left shoulder. However, we are seeing delays at the moment from Kipling to right now at Dixon. So that's definitely the case for drivers there. Northbound DVP from Lawrence to approaching York Mills. That also starting to see some slowdown. Southbound 404 DVP. You're going to notice delays from south of Finch to south of Lawrence. Westbound Garner, that's looking very good at the moment. No complaints there. It is the problem getting into the downtown core, of course. Down front to Strawn is down to 2 lanes from its usual 3 because of that long-term construction, which will be lasting until at least mid-2027. So again, you're